Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to easily add or change your shipping address on the Amazon mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon shopping app on your phone. Look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the U icon, which is your profile icon. Next, tap on the account button near the top. This will open your account settings. Tap on account settings to expand and tap on your addresses. Here you will see a list of your currently saved delivery addresses. To add a new one, simply tap on add a new address on the top of the screen. Now fill in your information, select your country, type in your full name, phone number, street addresses, postcode and city. If you want to make this your primary shipping address, you can check the box that says make this my default address. You can also add optional delivery instructions right here if you want to let the delivery driver know where to leave your package when you aren't at home. Once you're done, scroll down to the bottom and tap on add address. And that's it, your new address is successfully saved. The next time you check out, you can easily select this address. Thanks for watching.